Hello everybody, my name is Deluxe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install custom songs for Rock Band 2 Deluxe for Wii. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the Rock Band 2 Deluxe GitHub. You see this building stuff. We're not going to go through this. What you're going to want to do instead is click on this code button and click Open with GitHub Desktop. If you don't have it, download GitHub Desktop. Click Open Link. It'll tell you to clone the repository. Click Clone. Give it a minute. So while the repository is cloning, it's probably going to be a good idea, if you don't have it already, to download Python. There's a link on the repo, or I'll leave a link to Python download in the description. Just download it and install. Just quick note, you can either customize and do all that. Just leave everything checked. One thing you're going to want to do is check add python.exe to path, and then click install now. I already have Python installed, so I'm not going to do this. Alright, once this is done, go ahead and click this initialize git LFS. You're actually not going to need it for Wii, but it is necessary to actually load the repo, so once you're here, you're gonna want to click on this current branch main, click on origin /develop. It's going to switch the branch. If we go to the Rock Band 2 Deluxe folder, now we will see an Arc Wii folder. This is what we're gonna use. Now that you have this, you're gonna need the custom itself. So, what you're gonna want to do for that is open up Onyx or skip to the timestamp on screen if you already have a Rock Band 2 formatted custom for Xbox 360. If not, follow me into batch process. Go to any custom song that you want, be it Rock Band or Clone Hero or Guitar Hero customs might work. I'm not sure. I'm going to use Syntheside here as an example. You're going to go ahead and click on this Rock Band 2 button, or RB2 button. There's no Create Wii Custom. That is fine. You click this Create Xbox 360 COM files. If you've dragged in multiple folders or files from different locations, you can click this folder button so they all get sent into the same place. But for me, I've got one file, so I'm just going to create an Xbox 360 COM file, and we're done. Now we'll see this Syntheside Unforced RB2 con. I already had an RB3 con. That's not necessary. This is in Rock Band 3 tutorial. Now that you have a Rock Band 2 con file, open up Nautilus or C3 con tools. That's basically just C3. Open this up. Click on Extract Package. I can close that on Nautilus, and now you've got this songs folder. What you're going to want to do is go back to the Rock Band 2 Deluxe repo folder, open _arc_Wii, open up the songs folder, drag in the folder of the song, copy it, and then you're going to want to take this songs.dta, open it up, and open up the songs customs DTA, both in a text editor. As you can see, I already had songs customs open. Press enter to make a new line, and then just copy the entirety of songs.dta, like that. Paste it. What you're going to want to do is change downloaded true to downloaded false. Press enter. Make a new bracket with base _song true. That'll just make it so you don't have to unlock all to have the song show up. Once that's done, you can close out of that. Next thing you're going to want to do is, there's some files in here that need to be adjusted for Wii. Wii is a spicy thing that needs some adjustments. Not to any of these files, just the files in the Gen folder, which are for Xbox, as you can see. So just delete the Milo Xbox file, and I will have a base Milo Wii file in the description. You'll copy this in here, and replace the name of the Milo Xbox with the name of your song from this .mid.mog or .pan. Paste. That's done. Now, for the album art, it's a bit complicated, but what you're going to want to do is open up Nautilus again, click on Advanced Art Converter, drag and drop this PNG Xbox, convert it, close out of Nautilus, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky, and if you want to just go ahead and skip this, there's a line here in the Songs Customs, where is it? Album art. Just change this album art 1 to 0 if you just want to skip the album art. But for me, I will be converting it. So you're going to need Makalaha. I will have this linked in the description. What you're going to do, this is a command prompt application, so either go to where the folder name is, type in CMD, or you can right click in the folder and click open in terminal. Once you're here, type in superfreak space PNG 2text space, drag in the PNG that you converted from PNG Xbox, press space again, drag it in again. There are some adjustments you're going to want to make to the second file name. Delete the .png, go before the underscores keep, and put in underscore no nip. And then type in .bmp underscore WII space -p space WII. Enter. And now you have your album art. And that's it. Now you build the game. Now before you go into this Windows Bats and click on this build WII, I'll show what happens if you do it. You're gonna see it's gonna say no such file or directory. Well, that's because you need to extract your existing Rock Band to ISO or WBFS or whatever format you have it in. So what you're gonna want to do is find that file wherever you have it saved. I have it in my actual Rock Band 2 Deluxe folder. I just had to re-clone it for tutorial purposes. You're going to want to download WIT. I will have this linked in the description as well. Open this in CMD, another command prompt thing. Type in WIT space extract space. Drag and drop your WBFS, WBFS, or ISO, and then create a new folder next to the data. So you go here, drag in data from build WII, and what you're going to want to do is just create a new temporary folder, and this will extract the game. Alright, now that's done, what you're going to want to do is grab all these, cut, or copy, paste these all into data. It's going to say the destination already has a file named main.dol. Skip it. If you replace it, DX will not load. And that's done there. Now you can build the game. Double click build WII. Give it a minute. You can actually watch, if you go into build WII data files gen, you can actually watch the size of the DX arc tick up. And it's done. Now, if you're planning to play this on an actual WII, what you're going to want to do is go back to your WIT command prompt and type in WIT space copy space this data folder. And then you can just make an ISO wherever you want. I'm just going to put it right in build WII, and I'll call it rb2dx.iso, not iOS. But since I'm going to be playing this on Dolphin, this is not important. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. Go into the data sys folder. I need Dolphin open. I don't have Dolphin open. That's great. With Dolphin open, just go into the data sys folder, and you can just drag and drop this main dol, and Rock Band 2 will boot. Here we go, Rock Band 2 for WII. If I go to solo quick play, Blah blah blah. There it is. Synthesized Unforced. There you go. And there you have it. Rock Band 2 Wii Custom. Anyway, that's about all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Peace.